हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बीए सिक्स सेमेस्टर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में पेपर फर्स्ट में यूनिट 7 का फिक्शन थिंग्स फॉल अपार्ट, जो कि लिखा गया है चिनुआ अचेबे ने। जो किस पर लिखा गया है? नाइजीरिया के ऊपर लिखा गया है, तो वहीं के हिसाब से इसमें कैरेक्टर्स के नाम होंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं, वहीं के हिसाब से इसकी भाषा होगी। तो पहला, व्हेन वाज चिनुआ अचेबे बॉर्न? आंसर होगा 16 नवंबर 1930। Second, Chinua Achebe was born in answer OJD. 3. The real name of Chinua Achebe is answer is Albert Chinua Limagu Achebe. क्या है? अल्बर्ट चिनुआ ल्यूमोग्यो अचेबे। ये नाइजीरियन भाषा के ऊपर लिखेगा ये नाम। फोर, व्हाट इज द फादर्स नेम ऑफ चिनुआ अचेबे? इसका होगा आयशा ओकाफो अचेबे, ये आंसर होगा। 5. व्हाट इज द मदर्स नेम ऑफ चिनुआ अचेबे? तो माता का नाम होगा जेनेट अनेनियची एलियोगेबनम अचेबे, ब्योनम एलियोगेबियोनम अचेबे, इसका ये होगा। 6. हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन डिड अचेबे हैव? आंसर होगा 3। 7. व्हेन वाज थिंग्स फॉल अपार्ट गॉट पब्लिश्ड? आंसर होगा 1958। 8. हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ अ मैन ऑफ द पीपल? आंसर इज चिनुआ अचेबे। 9. Who was Okoli? Answer is Achebe's wife. 10. When was Chinua Achebe's novel No Longer at Ease got published? Answer होगा इसका 1960. 11. When was Chinua Achebe got married? Answer is 1961. 12. Chinua Achebe published his first children book in the year? Answer in 1966. 13. The name of Chinua Achebe's first children book is? Answer is Chaik and the River. 14. Which award Chinua Achebe got in his writing 6 months of travel? Answer is the Rockefeller Fellowship. 15. What is the name of Chinua Achebe's first short story? Answer is In a Village Church. 16. Chinua Achebe worked in the Nigerian Broadcasting Service (NBS) in the year? Answer 1954. 17. Chinua Achebe's novel Anthems of the Savannah was published in the year? Answer is 1987. 18. Which thing is clearly visible in the writing of Chinua Achebe? Answer is native influence. 19. What is the reason of Okombo's fame? Answer होगा personal achievement. 20. What is the name of Okombo's motherland? Answer is Mavanta. 21. What holy animal does Okombo's clan suspect the Christians have killed and eaten? Answer होगा python. 22. What is the name of the first missionary who comes to Umofia? Answer Mr. Brown. 23. How many villages does Umofia comprise? Answer होगा 9. 24. Who did Okombo beat in the legendary wrestling match? Answer is Emelanze the cat. 25. In what country does things fall apart take place? आंसर नाइजीरिया, ये नाइजीरिया कंट्री के ऊपर लिखी गई है। 26. वर्ड इज एन ओगबेंजे? आंसर आ चैलेंजिंग चाइल्ड। 27. What is the symbolic significance of the yam in things fall apart? Answer is it represents abundance and prosperity. 28. What does Okombo constantly wish Ejinma had been? Answer is a son. 29. What is the name of the protagonist in Things Fall Apart? आंसर इज ओकोम्बो, ये प्रोटैगनिस्ट है यानी मुख्य नायक है ओकोम्बो फिक्शन का। 30. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द ट्राइब इन विच ओकोम्बोस लाइव्स? यानी वो कौन सी ट्राइब में रहता था? इग्बो में, आइग्बो। 31. हु इज ओकोम्बोस फादर? आंसर यूनोका। 32. व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द टाइटल थिंग्स फॉल अपार्ट? इसका उत्तर होगा इट रिप्रेजेंट द डिस्टिंक्शन ऑफ आइग्बो कल्चर एंड ट्रेडिशन। 33. What is the name of the young boy that is given to a Combo's village as part of a peace settlement? Answer is Ikemefuna. Ikemefuna. 34. What is the name of Okombo's second wife? Answer is Ikebefi. Ikebefi. 35. What is the white missionary that comes to Okombo's village? Answer is Mr. Brown. 36. What is the punishment for killing a clansman in Okombo's village? Answer is exile. Nirvasan. 37. What is the name of Okombo's best friend? Answer is Oerika. 38. What does a palm tapper tap? Answer is a soldier for advice. 39. What is the significance of the oracle in Igbo culture? Answer is it is a source of divination and prophecy. 40. What ultimately leads to Okombo's downfall? Answer is his violent temper and inability to adapt to changing times. 41. What is the name of Okombo's oldest son? इसको तो रखो Naue. 42. What is the role of the Agwu in Igbo society? Igbo in Igbo society. Answer होगा they are the mass spirits of the ancestor who act as judges in disputes. 43. What is the name of the harvest festival celebrated by Okombo's village? Answer is New Yam Festival. 44. What is the significance of the locusts in the novel? Answer is they are a symbol of abundance and prosperity. 45. What is the main theme of Things Fall Apart? Answer is the consequences of rejecting one's cultural tradition. 46. What is the name of the deity worshipped by the people of Mavanta? Answer is Enai. 47. What is the significance of the yam in the novel? Answer is all the above. And it symbolizes the prosperity and wealth. B. It represents the traditional way of life in Igbo culture. Or third, it is a key part of the New Yam Festival. 48. What is the role of women in Igbo society as portrayed in the novel? Answer होगा their role varies depending on their social standing and age. 49. What is the significance of the kola nut in Igbo culture? Answer होगा it is a symbol of peace and hospitality. 50. For what reason is Okombo exiled? Answer is he unintentionally kills a fellow clan member. 51. What are the outcasts required to do before they may join the church? Answer होगा shave their heads. 52. Where are the Christian women forbidden to go when the clan hears about the killing of a royal python? Answer to the stream. 53. What group is king for the Iglo? Answer is Yam. 54. How does Okombo died? Answer is he hangs himself. 55. What is the symbolic significance of fire in Things Fall Apart? Answer होगा इसका it represents the power of the god and ancestors. 56. Which symbol is associated with the arrival of the white man in Things Fall Apart? Answer होगा the church. 57. Which motive is requiring throughout Things Fall Apart, symbolizing the cyclical cyclical nature of life and death? Answer is the yam. आगे पढ़ेंगे 58. What is the symbolic significance of the chi in Things Fall Apart? Answer is it represents the individual's personal god or spirit. 59. What does Okombo fear most? Answer is becoming like his father. 60. The title Things Fall Apart is taken from a poem by answer over W.B. Yeats. 61. Who is the boy who comes to live with Okombo family for years until he is killed? Answer is Ikemefuna. 62. From which poem of W.B. Yeats the title of the novel Things Fall Apart is taken? Answer is The Second Coming. 63. Which missionary is understanding, tolerant and welcoming? Answer is Mr. Brown. 64. Who is Unoka? Answer is Okombo's unsuccessful father. 65. Ikemefuna becomes especially close with? Answer is Noe. 66. After 3 years, the clan commands that Ikemefuna may be killed because answer he is the sacrifice for the earth goddess. 67. When a woman of Umofia wears twins, the infants are answered abandoned in the forest. 66. Ikevifi sorrows is dead. Answer is she has been 10 children and 9 have died. Answer is 69. Question and Noy could best describe as answer is sad and thoughtful. 70. Before dying, Ikemefuna thinks of a combo as answer is his real father. तो आज की वीडियो में हम लोग यही समाप्त करते हैं। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को लाइक करें। इसमें कुछ शब्द ऐसे थे जो नाइजीरियन भाषा के थे, जो हमें पढ़ने में थोड़ी दिक्कत लगी, उसको निगलेक्ट करेंगे। आज की वीडियो यही समाप्त करते हैं। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को लाइक करें। जिस किसी को इस वीडियो की जरूरत हो उसे इसकी लिंक शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।